Hello everybody, I'm gonna do a video of Merge Simulator. I love this game, it's good. I'd say that no one is able to smash the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell in 3, 2, 1, try it. I'm gonna do an obby. Right here. Right here you can see. Just running. Just running. Bang, bang. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn. Oh. Really? Ooh. What I think. Ooh. Oh. I'm sick of this. Whoa, diamond, iron, emeralds. Oh, wow. This guy is rich. I'm gonna do his job. Mister. Hey. Sir? Sir Diggy Doo Doo. Oh, diamonds. I made diamonds. Nice. I got weird black. And now I have copper. Why do I have copper? I don't know why I'm doing this job for this man, but I'm just gonna let it go because this guy. I'm taking the diamond. Never mind. Okay. Anyhow. Yeah, this is it. Oh, and I have a friend that I just want to say that Kian on yeah, he's a good friend. He's really loyal. He's good at gaming. He plays Roblox with me. He's really nice. And shout out to him for liking and subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And if you do, I will give a shout out to you. So, you want to try it? I have a lot of cash. I want to spend it. That, I like that sound. That's a nice sound. Oh, automatic. Bah, 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 bah. Bang. What? That was weird. There was a lag. Oh. Give me that cash. Ooh. Just get that oh. Oh, wow. This game is it's going so quick. Wow. Like, what the? Who is that? Who is this? I want to explore this random creature, a random alien from outer space. Hello. Greetings, alien. You are very skinny. You look like you're Darth Vader or someone. 5 little bumps. See ya. There's so much here. Yes, yes. My thing has grown. Oh. Doody doody. Doody doody. Doody doody. Ah, an oak log. Very good. Bah. Nice. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice. Sound of this is so satisfying. This is so nice. I love that. That is just so nice. Whoa, this game is so insane. Hey, I got to birch. Birch. And I don't know. Oh, thought I wasn't able to click there. There we go. There we go. Oh, wow. That was... Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Why am I saying wolf? Why am I saying wolf? I'm not a dog. I'm not a dog. Am I a dog? I'm not a dog. No, I'm not a dog. I don't even have a dog. That's so good. Oh, nearly landed on my head. My head is very fragile. This little cuddly head there. Yeah, very cuddly. Next one. Oh, click made. Wait, can I get 205.4 thousand? That's insane. Whoa. I keep saying wolf. I just keep saying wolf. It's so dumb. Oh, wow, I just caught a block in the sky. Oh. I'll try the obby one too. Just like that. I think I'm able to cheat. Oh, okay. No one saw that. No one in the world saw that. Yeah. I didn't cheat or anything. No, I wouldn't do that, would I? No, I'm a good person. Oh. Well, maybe cheating is bad. Don't cheat, okay? Don't cheat when I'm cheating, okay? Because it is very bad. And I'm not cheating now. Is it hard in here? Don't cheat, seriously. I am not going to cheat. You noob. He's just what? He's what? What do you want, bro? What? Just jumping on flowers. Dooby 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 dooby. Damn it! I have skills. Skill. Okay. Okay. Concentrating moment. Oh! 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 I made it! What do I get? 2 times friendly. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta go quick. 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 Yeah! Come on. Come on. 19 seconds. No. I'll have to end the video now. So. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hope you enjoy.